Hey folks, I've just finished reading Shadow Tier, Steve Stratton's debut thriller. Now, before I tell you why I enjoy this book, I'm going to give you a bit of a background about Steve. As you can see, that's him there. And according to the bio, if I can just find it, here it is. He began his career at the White House Communications Agency. He then became part of the US Secret Service, and then joining the National Guard and the 20 Special Forces Group, which is also what the main character, Lance Beowulf, that's his role. And he became a Green Beret in 1986 until 2000, where he did quite a few, according to this, counter-drug training missions and doing quite a few other sort of interesting stuff. So Steve has been there and done that. A very, very remarkable guy. Now, on to what the book is about. The main character is Lance Beowulf. He is of a Crow Indian background. During a holiday to Mexico with his parents, they get caught in the middle of a drug battle, and unfortunately, both of his parents die at the hands of one Ileana Cortez, a vicious drug lady. Lance Beowulf vows revenge and is going to take on nearly the entire drug cartel, including one actual El Chapo, who does play a part in this novel. He also wants revenge against Ileana's brother, Alejandro, who's also a very, 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 very vicious drug baron. What I found about this novel, I think it just kind of so reminded me of Tom Clancy's Clear and Present Danger, Without Remorse, and also a splash of Rainbow Six. If you're a fan of those books, then I guarantee you're gonna absolutely enjoy this fantastic debut by Steve. It also reminded me of some of those 80s actioners, which I thought was pretty cool too. I just love how professional the good guys are, how pretty ruthless and savage the bad guys are, and how it's so action packed, with a few things that occur unexpectedly that you wouldn't even expect to, if you'll pardon my pun. If you're into something really, really action packed, if you love a fantastic action film, then by all means check out Shadow Tier by Steve Stratton. I'm going to say the words, a slam bang good time. Normally I don't tell don't tell what my next novel that I'm going to be reviewing, but I'm going to be sort of breaking the mold in telling you that my next review will be Steve Stratton's next book, which I believe is called, I hope I'm correct, it's Shadow Sanction. I can't wait to dive in and share with you my thoughts. Like and subscribe, and check out the other guys on the website, The Best Thriller Books. There's always awesome book recommendations. Take care, all.